Hey everyone, I want to let you know about 3 issues I have with the emollients that you're prescribed for your eczema. They are given to you to help with your condition and with your skin, but there's problems with them. Some of the ingredients that they contain can actually exacerbate the problem. The first one is SLS, or sodium lauryl sulfate. This has been, you get told that this helps to keep the water in your skin. It actually is a chemical that can disrupt your ability to make a new healthy skin barrier. So it's counterproductive to put it into eczema products. So you shouldn't be putting anything on your skin that has sodium lauryl sulfate. The second thing is the antibacterial nature. Again, you're told that this will help eczema because it will help to reduce the bacterial levels on your skin, particularly staph and things like that that can cause eczema flares. But it's an indiscriminate antibacterial, so it's killing your healthy microbiome on your skin as well as the bad bacteria. And bad bacteria or pathogenic bacteria tend to repopulate a lot faster than your own friendly microbiome. So then you get caught in a cycle where you constantly have an overload of pathogenic bacteria and too little of the friendly or commensurate bacteria. So that's causing a dysbiosis on your skin, and that's contributing to more eczema flares. And thirdly, the other one is the fact that a lot of these emollients are petroleum based. And when you use these products, they are blocking the pores on your skin and not allowing your sweat to evaporate. And I've done other videos that go deep into that, but that can actually exacerbate your eczema as well and cause further problems where you end up becoming allergic to your own sweat because your sweat can't evaporate and it's leaching into the surrounding tissue instead of being able to come out of your pores. So for those 3 reasons, you really need to stop using the chemical and petroleum based emollients for eczema skin. There are many companies that make lovely natural based products that you can use, but even with those you need to read the ingredients, because just the fact that it's natural doesn't mean it's safe for you as an individual. You have your own individual sensitivities, possibly to food products. So if you're allergic to milk, you don't want to put an eczema natural product on your skin that contains milk. Similarly, you could be allergic to things like sesame seeds or nuts, and some of them may have nut oils or sesame oil in them, which you wouldn't be able to use. So get into the habit of learning to read the ingredients, find out what they are, look for natural products, preferably unrefined products, because they will contain healthy nutrients that would encourage your skin to be able to make a healthy skin barrier. And don't use these things: sodium lauryl sulfate, antibacterial agents, and petroleum based chemicals. They're not the best. They do not help eczema in the long run. And if you found eczema products that are natural and have really helped you, share it. Let us know in the comments below. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.